oh wow, that moment when I won. It's a coveted award to be known as the Mathematics Teacher of the Year, something that no one can take lightly. And it has helped me to grow as a teacher. And it has also helped me to become a resource person for my school, in that having the knowledge that I have gained from this competition, I'm now better able to coach or to assist the other teachers in my school and hopefully in the region one day.
Stacey Taylor made Hatfield Primary and Junior High School proud when she accepted the 2018 National Mathematics Teacher of the Year Award. The dedicated educator came by one of our think tank sessions recently and shared how she was able to cop this coveted award.
My philosophy as it relates to teaching mathematics is that it's not just about a body of knowledge, but it's more so about the process. So for me, I have my students discovering what I want them to learn. So no longer am I just telling them, but they are discovering. Also, I take into consideration that every child learns differently. So at the initial stages, I needed to find out how my children learn and so forth, cater to their differences in learning. So one of the main strategies that I would have been using is what we call differentiated instruction. That is where you cater to the learning styles of the different students, along with using manipulatives. So manipulatives is really just hands-on things that they can use to build their own understanding of a particular concept.
Now Stacey, who has over 18 years of teaching experience, is looking forward to an all-expense-paid trip to the 2018 National Council of Teachers of Mathematics Conference. The April 26 event in Washington, D.C. is part of her prize package.
I hope that it will bolster my ability to teach mathematics. It will help me to come back now and to share what I have learned. And the most important thing I want to learn is how can I be a better teacher so that I can better my students' performance.
And what is her appeal to other math teachers in Jamaica?
We need to always aim at having the students form their own understanding of the concepts. So we need to move away from lecturing the children. We need to move away from simply telling them the formulas. Let them discover it for themselves, because once they discover it for themselves, it will never leave them. Continue to let the students discover. Let them have fun. Keep them engaged, and we will see a change in performance.